I'm Ishmael Nyakoni, the manager for Ajiri. We are here to welcome our graduates who will be graduating on Friday, this Friday on 25th. That is for phase 24, 25, 26, 27 up to 29 who have been here with us. We'll be having our third anniversary on that day. The governor for this county, Honorable Paul Simba Arati, will be gracing the occasion. We want to thank him for his good work. He has been supporting our young people, and we want to tell him congratulations. As well, we want to tell our young people who will be graduating that asante sana for the good work. Ituko lia lero no kuwalegani abanafunzi baitu bali basomera mwanaitu kuru phase 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 up to 29 nganto bwate graduation ilabo on Friday 25th ase stadium ito ya Gusii. Towakiro mugabana itungambia mona asenje support yabasaye abatali kwenyala banyale ko bagotara esafari yaitu yogosomia mangana digital literacy, mangana mental health, mangana financial literacy, amangana personal branding and marketing, amangana career choices. Tuabeli togosoma mana barabuku last year. This will be our 11th graduation kisituwa chagete. Wa igonto kole anniversary. Oso kwego ki kugo chaka program ya county ito ya Kisii asili ya gatatu. Wa igonto tuwalechi ward chinde chigo cha senge sherehe. Una mwanyerero ntubwata wanafunzi basomete. Ntubwata kuli chitago borabu. Wa igonto bwata njoro. Bagocha gusanga singencho ya graduation ye. Goto kubalega ni bonsi boy kona bagocha mwana baibuli baba mwana basani ilinde gocha goshiriki. Mamoganito mwaneno rache kogerez this occasion no yominto His Excellency the Governor Paul Simba Arati. The program ni gele free as Keromonto. Registration ni gagendet actually on Monday. Ngocha katole a new phase ila phase start. Etoku welcome onde bwensi utranyora libageli acha register as center ito ya Gusii Stadium. Waigo bali bakuru South Magrango registration echa kase youth office ilegali Nyamarambe. Ase bali bakuru Machoge ntutwale registration elabo bisyo mu MCA. Igonde bwensi uli interested na bagocha elinde acha kikonyora megelio. Akoira engakia umutinyo yomo ne chiwiki 3. Twabele togosomi boigo abasaya bakwemanya. Nanga kiende elinde batigana na malioga mabeyo gotindi. This program twabele togo champion umosaya kumanya na kumanye value ya yase society. Towaka mbia mona ase yabasaya bali basoke ntubwate organization togo partner monero ekuruku daraja 2 vision volunteers ekosomia mangana female genital mutilation na mangana gender based violence. Boigo babele bakwegelia abasaya aba enchire ya moyo gyancha. Boigo kwegelia abana abanyaruka na kibara bakwelenda amangana early pregnancies wose okonyora kwa abana mapema elinde betange wose bakora umurubeli umuya